In this video, I will show you how to cancel My Gusto account. First, open your browser and go to app.gusto.com. Once you're on the home screen, click on your profile icon at the top right. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Here you will see different sections like Personal, Company, and Billing. For this walkthrough, go ahead and click on Billing. Next, scroll down and choose Cancel Account. You will be asked to confirm your choice, so just scroll down again and tap Continue. Now select the reason for why you're canceling. Then hit Continue once more. After that, check the box for tax reconciliation since it's tax-free and click Save and Continue. Next, choose how you'd like to handle closing your state payroll accounts. Finally, confirm your decision by typing in your company name, check the confirmation boxes, and click Cancel Account to finish. And that's how to cancel My Gusto account.